Okay, so I think this is like part 3 of the continuing saga for the IT 200L Yamaha 2-stroke. So this morning I worked on the wiring. I found the black and white wire and rigged up a kill switch. Get it in focus, that I got from Sean at hotrodminibikes.com. Got all that run. Everything seems to be running fine on it. I think I've got my mixture too rich, so I'm running 20 to 1, and man, it's leaking oil all over the place from the exhaust. So I'm gonna have to lean it up a little bit on the next batch. So other than that, the main thing is the kill switch is working. Throttle lever's on. I'm just waiting on the throttle cable to get here. Be here on Tuesday, and I'll be good to go. Hope you enjoy.